Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this crochet bag. It's a small bag, it's not big. Someone told me to crochet for her, so I made the video. Hope that you try and make it. So this bag consists from back and front. I made one already. Front, you can use it in one color. She wanted to be made with these colors and I use these colors. I'm going to show you how to work the other part, that is the front. Now we're going to work the back. Chains. So I made 18 chains. Now we skip the first 3. We go in the 4th one and we're going to make a double crochet in each chain that we have. So we're going to make, I'm using this hook, it's a thick one. We're going to make a double crochet sorry, in each chain that we have. So you continue making a double crochet until you arrive at the last chain. Continue making a double crochet. So the first row is ready, as you can see. Always like that we're going to work the rows. The rows are going to be all the same. So we start with 2 chains. Now we turn the work around and we make a double crochet on each double crochet that we made before. So you continue making a double crochet on each double crochet that we made before. And then you continue the rows, all the rows like that. In all, I made 9 rows. I made 9 rows. If you want it larger, you make more rows. If you want it smaller, you make less rows. These are the rows that I made. I made 9 in all. Now, I'm not going to leave it like this. Then I will going to turn it. The back is going to be like this. Like that is going to be the bag, not like that. I'm not going to leave it like that. Like this I'm going to make it. And I made 9 rows. So this is ready too. I have 2 now, this one, and I have the other one, front and back. Now I'm going to use these as handles. And as you can see, then I'm going to attach them like that to the back. I already finished one. I made one. I'm going to show you how to make the other one. And then we will sew them to the back. So this is the other handle. We take the thread or what you're using, pull up a stitch. Wait a minute. I'm going to make it a bit longer. So you pull up a stitch and you make a single crochet. The part where you started, this one, you put it like this, so it hides with the work. You hide it all along with the work. You turn the thread on there, you pull up a stitch, and you make a single crochet. Like that. Again, you pull up a stitch, and you make another single crochet. You pull up another stitch and you make another single crochet, and you continue like that. The lower part of the handle, so that you attach it to the back. You make them both the same. You see how much we made the other one. You make it the same, so they are the same. So these are ready and I attach them. I sew them with a sewing needle. I sew them all along this. I made the 2, both sides, as you can see them. I sewed them with a sewing needle from here to the back. So now we're going to make this part here all around. We're going to make a part all around the bag. I made the chains. So I made 6 chains. You go in the first one, you make a single crochet. This is only single crochet. you make single crochet all the time, single crochet in each chain, and then each row single crochet. This is going to go all around the back. We're going to attach the back and the front to it, all along the back, the sides, the lower part and the other side. So we make a chain, we start the next row. Always the same, you're going to make a single crochet in each stitch that you have. So you're going to make a single crochet in each stitch that you have until you have the length of the back, the sides, the lower part, all along. So this is ready, as you can see. It goes along all around the bag, only the front no. Now you take one side of the back, you put that on the back like that. This is the front of the back, and we're going to turn it all around like this at the back, the sides and the lower part of the back. I take another piece of thread. Now we're going to attach one side, the front, to it, to one side of it. So you put the hook in the first stitch, you put it in the first stitch over there. The first one, we're going to pull a stitch and we're going to make a single crochet like that. Now this part you put it. Now we're going to go to the second one. We go to the second stitch. Now we're going to attach them only with a slip stitch. That we are going to attach it with a slip stitch like that. You pull a stitch from the front. You pull a stitch from the border, the one that we made last, to attach it, and then we attach it with a slip stitch. We're going to use slip stitch to attach it all around. You continue all around like that. The sides, then the front, you make it all around, and the other side. You leave out the front for now. The front you don't have to attach it because it has to be opened. And you continue all around like that. When you finish the front, then you take the back and you attach it to the other part. This is how the back came. I made a single crochet also on top, all around. On top I made a single crochet. This is attached, as you can see how it becomes attached, and as I told you, I made a single crochet all around. And this is the final result of the bag. As you have seen, it's very easy to make. It's really easy to make. Hope that you understood what I showed you, what you have to do, and that you try and make it. Bye for now.